Hello, creative people. Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. We recently organized an art and craft contest on our Facebook page, and the top 5 entries from the contest are these. A big thank you to everyone who participated. Watch this video till the end to know who the winner is. Now, let's start with today's video. In this video, I'm gonna share 3 different ideas to reuse broken pieces of ceramic bowl or any other ceramic object. First, I'll put those pieces in a plastic bag and then I'll use hammer to break them into even smaller pieces. Now let's start with the first DIY. For this DIY, I am using polymer clay. Flatten this piece of clay with your palm. Make sure to keep it enough thick to insert the ceramic pieces in it. Now I will roll this green shade of polymer clay to cover the pink clay like a ring. Flatten this piece of clay as well. Adding that remaining piece of green clay in the center of pink one. After this, we will start inserting our ceramic pieces into the clay and giving it a mosaic kind of effect. Insert a wire before baking so that we can make it hangable later. Bake it as per the instruction on your clay. After baking, if you wish, you can finish this DIY here or you can paint on the ceramic pieces like I am doing here. Let the paint dry completely and then I'm adding this 3D gold outliner on it with the help of paintbrush. And once this has dried, finish it off with nice pearl black border on it. Let this dry and we are done with our first DIY. For this one, we will convert an empty old box into a gift box. Use any cardboard box lying in your house. Start by painting the upper side and all the 4 sides of the box with black acrylic paint. Apply another layer of paint if needed. Let the paint dry completely and then we'll work on the upper side of the box. Here I am using 3D neon liners and forming a heart shape, and then I'll place ceramic pieces in this shape, and then again I'll apply this 3D liner around the ceramic pieces to cover their sharp edges. In this DIY, this 3D liner will also act as a glue for the ceramic pieces. Use as many different colors and shapes as you like and decorate your box. Finishing this DIY with some random dots here and there. Now let all this dry completely. As you can see, after drying, little bit crack appeared in the design. If you want, you can apply more liner to hide those cracks, but I love this natural look, so I am leaving it as it is. And we are done with our second DIY. You can use this box to store your favorite pieces of jewelry or photos or anything you like. For this one, draw a heart shape on a parchment paper and fill in the shape with some hot glue. Place a wire in center to make a pendant eye later, and then start placing the ceramic pieces forming a mosaic pattern. And then fill it all over again with hot glue. And then let it dry completely. Once dried, remove it from the paper and trim the edges if needed. This looks so pretty already, but I'm going to decorate it with some nail paints. You can use acrylic paint as well. Once it has dried, apply a layer of Mod Podge to seal the nail paint. Roll the wire like this to make the pendant eye, and then we are done with our third and final DIY. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe as I come up with new videos every week. Comment down below which DIY you like the most. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. And the winner of the contest is Jyotin Goyal Bansal. Congratulations!